Mathematics has given us a symbol and a value to cognize the coordinates of collapsed infinity, or infinity in another form, much like water to gas to ice to crystalline form. The reconfiguration of infinity is a phenomenon of reality as it changes form, and we can almost see it in the figure, in shapes and the figures that exist in the universe, and that we know almost intuitively, and that we have seen in the microscope in the form of the double helix and strings, and now which is being identified as possible to abstractize in mathematics as this inverted and formalized infinity. And with the aid of mathematical languages, we can get a better view of how the universe can be handled and constructed to facilitate the dwelling and the shape of infinity and expanding cosmic energy. Now, that sounds New Age, but it seems that language, it has been demonstrated that with planning and language, the most remarkable forwardness of the wave of energy in the form of consciousness and in the form of the achievements of humanity and of the brain have been achieved and have therefore vindicated and therefore may be construed as proof in itself of this incredible energy and the agency of language to bring it to formation in a dimension like our own, possibly a unique dimension of consciousness. When you hear about the Hadron Collider and the incredible resources and money and energy and the great minds put into understanding this incredible energy in this format, one thinks, why isn't some form of attention given to entrapping, just like light is entrapped in a prism, to create a human biosocial structure to infuse and power our own creativity and this energy which seems to be at the foundation of consciousness and ideas and imagination and creativity, and to entrap it and to harness it and to exploit it as it probably is exploiting us. What about a socio-hadron collider, or a trans-socio-robotic collider using the best of artificial intelligence and automation and the best of the human imagination and a collaboration between the different species of energies to harness this frequency and to see if it has come so far and if it has the audacity to be expressing itself today and in every day in every particle of thing that happens here, and the great creativity that has been comes from it. If it can be harnessed, and there's no reason why we shouldn't start trying now, and this may be the wormhole that the futurists are thinking may theoretically be possible, because the dimensions when they exist, and if they exist, are most likely to exist on the minute scale. And the ability to harness through language and through artificial intelligence these dimensions may actually be the way to achieve the wormhole that the theorists have been talking about.